The storage of renewable energies is still a big problem because actually the production of energy from renewables is changing over time. Hydrogen can be a solution, and HyCARE actually have the goal to store energy from renewable through hydrogen. For the first time in Europe, we are planning to set up a hydrogen tank that is able to store 50 kilos of hydrogen, but the very new innovation is the use of a combination of metal hydride with phase change material. This will allow to save energy and to improve the efficiency of the whole storage system. This is a real innovation for Europe.
In this HyCARE project, we are responsible for WP2, Work Program 2, the design of the alloy. So we are solid-state chemists. We are dealing with the composition of the alloy, which will be able to absorb hydrogen and which will be used for storing hydrogen in the tank.
IFE has been working on metal hydrides for the last 5 decades, and in HyCARE it will test the properties of the alloys that is selected for the hydrogen storage tank, and it will use neutron scattering and neutron imaging to analyze both the alloy and the tank system.
We are experts in the study and production of materials for hydrogen storage. In this project, we will be mainly involved in the optimization and characterization of alloys for the hydrogen storage and in the LCA.
The task of GKN powder metallurgy in the project HyCARE is to supply a high purity powder based on iron titanium, an intermetallic phase, which we supply in volumes of 4 to 5 tons. The powder will compact to pellets, so in total we will supply 4,000 to 5,000 parts.
UniTo is involving in the project HyCARE about the activity modeling of the system in order to optimize the design of a tank for the heat exchanger with the PCM, and about the definition of a control logic and control strategy of the system.
My company is involved in the project in the design and construction of the thermal storage energy. We will be in charge to select the PCM, and then we will be part of the commissioning of the whole system.
Our part in the HyCARE project will be the construction, manufacturing, installation and implementation of the plant with the hydrogen tank, the PCM tank system, the pipe, including the piping, the instrumentation and the control system.
Our expertise is in the development and design of a hydrogen storage system, and in this project we help in the integration of a system with electrolyzer, with a fuel cell, and also with the thermal management of this hydrogen storage.
ENGIE Lab CRIGEN within the HyCARE project will have the pleasure to test, I would say, validate this demonstration scale pilot, which is one of the first, I would say, in the world.